In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a reel video on Instagram from your profile grid and then get it back. This is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then tap at your profile icon to open up your profile page. There I have a reel and let's say I want to remove it from my profile grid without deleting that reel from my Instagram profile. All I have to do in that case is open up that reel, then right here tap at three dots icon and then tap on remove from profile grid. It removes the reel from my profile grid. Here, as you can see, I got no that reel anymore, but I can still find that reel at Reels tab. So I can tap on that tab and here I can see that reel. And now, if I did this by mistake and I want to restore that reel to my profile grid, all I have to do is open up that reel, then hit at three dots icon, and from here I have to first delete this reel. Just tap at delete, then confirm it. Don't afraid, you wouldn't lose this reel. Now I'll show you how to restore that reel, and also you can restore even the comments and amount of likes at that reel. All you have to do in order to restore a reel is tap at menu icon, then tap at your activity and next hit on recently deleted, where you can find reels and any content you have deleted in last 30 days. And now in order to restore those reels, all you have to do is open it up and then hit at these three dots icon and hit on restore and then confirm it. Now you can open up your profile and here, as you can see, that reel has just been restored. I can open it up and there, as you can see, I got likes and comments that was placed here before by users. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.